Your soul family are there to love you. Hi everyone, by the way, thanks for joining me. Soul family are there not only to love you, but to hurt you, to crack you open so you can expand into horizons you've never felt or been, or behaviors and words that you've never done or spoken before, words that you've never written before. Your soul family brighten your life, but they can also darken your life. And we come forward in hundreds, if not thousands, of souls in clusters to Earth and other places to help each other to be happy and experience life, and also sometimes to be sad. So like I said, we can be cracked open. So this is the first live I've done in a very long time. I just thought it'd be a nice little scenery, but that's all I really want to say, everyone. Like, at the end of the day, I hope you're well. Hope you've enjoyed the solstice. I wish you a happy summer. I hope you acknowledge that you have soul family and that we're all students and teachers of one another, and we all learn and teach one another. And when we can acknowledge those of us who have helped to bring us pain in the past, or even currently, or challenge us or trigger us, bring out our shadow or pain body, it can be brought to the light for transformation and transmutation and for healing and expansion. So I love to thank these people, either in my heart or else actually, like, literally verbally or by written word also. But never force it, but just see if you can tune into that vibration and heart-centeredness, and then you might find an inspiration coming to you. So it's best to take actions that are inspired typically. And I hope you all have a lovely summer. So my name is Owen Fox from Ireland, and I always encourage you to share any of my videos like this, just to help the awakening of the planet and to raise the vibration of the planet and to raise people's frequency and awareness, so we can all do better together through helping each other out. And make sure you feel welcome to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to befriend me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And personal message me if you need to, and check out my Higher Self herb store, and also check out my website for one-to-one consultations or my books at owenfox.org. Other than that, thanks for watching and have a beautiful day, and thank you for doing your part in global awakening. Appreciate that. Be home soon, ma'am.